What's good, YouTube? It is your guy once again, Udell 12, aka Bubba. And guys, I am back with another quick review. And guys, as always, before we get started, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy. And also, don't forget to smash that notification bell for upcoming videos. And guys, as always, I want to thank you all for the love and support. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I want to thank all the new subscribers for joining the Bubble Files family. Welcome to the family. And guys, thank you guys again. We're on our way to 1,000 subs, so let's continue to smash that subscribe button and them likes. Let's get it, guys, because I'm going to keep bringing you more heat like I have right here. Also, shout out, y'all already know what I'm watching in the background, of course. It wouldn't be right without doing it with it. But shout out to Will Smith. Happy birthday to Will Smith. Happy 50th to Will, the legend. Guys, if you don't know about Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, then definitely go look it up. For the younger ones who don't mess with, don't even know what even though we're talking about with Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, definitely go look it up. Y'all need to. But Will Smith is just definitely a legend in the game. So with this review, we're gonna get into all that. But guys, as you can see here, let's get into it. Let's just jump right into it. I have the Jordan 5 NRG Fresh Princes, and guys, very, very dope shoe, iconic shoe, OGs. Now, and getting into the release, when these released on his birthday, September 25th, at 190. And these were NRGs, which really shocked me that they were 190. But salute to Jordan Brand and Nike, also for the dope release, for having this, for Will Smith 50th. I mean, it was just, everything was dope. Like, everything they did with it was just, it was perfect timing, very dope. So, I'm just glad that they, sorry about that guy on TV, but I'm just glad that they did this release. I've been waiting on this release, probably one of the dopest releases they had 2018. I've heard people talk about the shoe. I've heard the rants, man, back and forth. Man, I don't like it, don't have the shoestrings. But, bro, if you mess with Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, you know what this is about. So I'm tired of hearing everybody talking about they going to redo the lace locks. Bro, why you buy the shoe? Like, just wear the old Grape 5s then. Because to me, if you restore it or redo it, I think you devaluing the shoe, bro. Like, seriously, that's the whole point of the shoe. So that's my little quick rant. Man, you do what you want with these. I got a double-double, so I'm not poking any damn thing in these. So I'm keeping these strictly how they are. Dope-ass shoe, guys. Like, come on, man. This is like OG. I mean, come on. Shout out to the stamp. We got this on the back. This what we want on the back of this shoe, Nike. Jordan Brand, bring back all OGs, please. Very, very dope. You have the Nike on the bottom. Check out this icy sole. No strings, guys. You got your West Philadelphia, born and raised. I ain't gonna sing no more. You got that right there. The tongue, very dope. Leather, got your NRG, very nice leather. Inside of this, if I can show you, got your Air Jordan there. Guys, very, very dope as shoe. As you can see, I have my jacket here. Shout out to my guy Cade here in Little Rock, Arkansas. If you're here, go to Culture Clothing. Cade hook you up. Tell him that JDL12 sent you there, man. Go shop, man. He has the dopest gear in there. That's where I got this dope jacket from. I mean, check this out. I don't think I've seen anybody on YouTube that's put it up, but also, it's a reversible jacket. So, got your Fresh Prince right there. So, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick look. But this has been Udell 12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.